I accept that the description Continental breakfast is a bit of an interpretation, but that's limited by the availability of ingredients from the local supermarket. However, it was hot, and whereas normally I feel you could only feed a couple of people with a Cobb Premier, this time there was enough heat and cook time to easily feed a family. As usual, the Cobb setup for the oven was with the grill rack, and I used the large fire basket from the barbecue kit to spread the heat evenly under the grill plate. I used around 500 grams of Big K lumpwood charcoal. The charcoal took 30 minutes to get going. With the grill plate on, I put the bacon and mushrooms in straight away. I did everything separately, so hopefully you can guesstimate how many people you could cook for given the space that's left on the grill rack. Then grill rack on, ready for the baguettes. Baguettes took 10 minutes, then just add tomatoes, bacon and mushrooms. The bagels took only 5 minutes, then add salami, tomato and a bit of leftover mushroom. Potato cakes took 5 minutes. If you like them crunchy, then maybe 7 or 8 minutes would do it, and then farmhouse patty and tomatoes. All the sweet stuff went in together. I turned them over after 5 minutes and they only took 10 minutes. Although next time I'll probably give the hot cross buns and the crumpets another 2 or 3 minutes. There was plenty of charcoal and heat left just to keep going and knock yourself out with croissant. Definitely not a bad way to start the day when you're camping.